A deposit just hit your bank account. Great. But which events was it for? Which orders? If you sell tickets for more than one event at a time, matching deposits to sales can eat a whole afternoon. EventPassHero now does that work for you. It's called Payout reconciliation, and it lives right in your wallet. From your organizer workspace, open the wallet. You'll still see your Stripe balance and your most recent payouts at a glance. But now there's a new tab up top, Payout reconciliation. Here's every payout Stripe has sent you: the amount, the arrival date, and most importantly, the events inside it. See the badge on the right? Reconciled means the lines inside add up to the deposit, to the penny. Click any payout to open it up. This one deposit carried money from 2 different events, and each one gets its own section with every order listed: who bought, when, and for how much. Refunds are in here too. When a refund claws money back, it's netted against the right event automatically. Sales minus refunds equals your deposit every time. Need to hand this to someone? Download the spreadsheet. 1 row per order, grouped by event, with the payout total at the bottom that matches the bank deposit exactly. Your treasurer or finance committee can reconcile the books in minutes, not hours. Closing out a month? Pick a date range and grab the summary. Every payout in the period split by event in one file. And when you're focused on a single event, its reports page shows exactly which deposits carried that event's money, including any refunds that came out. You don't even have to go looking. Your daily executive email now includes your latest payouts for the event, with a link to open the full reconciliation and download the spreadsheet whenever you need it. Every dollar in your bank account traced back to the order it came from. That's payout reconciliation in your wallet on EventPassHero.